Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Abentech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. Leica, the German brand based in Wetzlar, has unveiled its most striking move in decades, the Leica M EV1. This new device represents a strategic break from its tradition of manufacturing classic, artisanal rangefinder cameras in a market dominated by Japanese manufacturers. The M EV1 blends the classic M camera body with a modern electronic viewfinder, EVF, effectively replacing the traditional mechanical rangefinder, telémetro. This innovation aims to expand the customer base, leveraging the success of the modern Q series, while simultaneously appealing to the M system's purist roots. Key features and positioning. Sensor, 60 megapixels, the same integrated into the M11 generation. Optics, provides access to some of the brand's best historical M-mount lenses. Viewfinder, based on the Leica Q3, it incorporates current EVF aids like focus peaking and two-step zoom for manual focusing. Notably, it does not include autofocus, maintaining the M series manual nature. Leica has adopted a conservative initial approach, recognizing that the market offers more advanced manual focusing solutions, e.g., Nikon Z. However, the move is a direct response to strong user demand, catering to various segments, including M-mount enthusiasts with impaired vision, the overwhelming Chinese market, and professionals seeking an extra degree of reliability. The company has prioritized a timely, acceptable first innovation, with plans to evolve the current, austere, EVF in future iterations. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.